Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best eyeliner sealer on the market, the Jolie Keep It On Eyeliner Sealer. If you're tired of your eyeliner smudging, fading, or disappearing throughout the day, this product promises to keep your eye makeup flawless from morning until night. The Jolie Keep It On Eyeliner Sealer is designed to lock in your eyeliner, whether you use pencil, gel, or powder formulas. Its unique formula acts as a protective layer over your eyeliner, preventing any unwanted smudging or fading. This means you can confidently go about your day without constantly checking your makeup or worrying about touch-ups. One of the standout features of this sealer is its versatility. Not only can you use it directly over your favorite eyeliner to extend its wear, but it also works beautifully when mixed with loose or pressed eyeshadows. This allows you to create custom colors and textures, giving you more creative freedom with your eye looks. It essentially transforms your eyeshadow into a long-lasting, water-resistant eyeliner, perfect for experimenting with different styles or adding extra drama. The product itself comes in a compact, lightweight design that fits easily into any makeup bag or purse. Despite its lightweight feel, it packs a punch with its matte finish and water-resistant properties. The sealer dries quickly after application, creating a durable, smudge-proof finish without feeling heavy or sticky on the skin. What makes Jolie Keep It On truly impressive is its clean beauty profile. It's paraben and talc-free, making it a great choice for those with sensitive skin or anyone who prefers products without harsh chemicals. It's also cruelty-free and proudly made in the USA, supporting ethical standards and local manufacturing. Application is straightforward and user-friendly. After applying your preferred eyeliner, whether pencil or powder, simply apply the Jolie sealer over it while the makeup is still wet. Let it dry for a few seconds, and you're all set with a long-lasting look that stays put throughout the day, rain or shine. Although the product is lightweight and easy to wear, it offers serious staying power. This sealer ensures your eyeliner won't smudge, run, or fade, even if you have oily skin or you're exposed to humid weather conditions. It's ideal for busy days, special occasions, or anytime you want your eye makeup to look fresh and defined for hours on end. In summary, Jolie Keep It On Eyeliner Sealer is an excellent addition to any makeup routine. It extends the life of your eyeliner, allows for creative versatility, and maintains a clean, ethical formulation. If you're looking for a reliable way to keep your eye makeup flawless without the hassle of constant touch-ups, this sealer is definitely worth trying. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product reviews. See you next time.